You see this spot? If your first instinct is to spray for thrips, you might have just killed this plant. In the lab, we don't guess. Today I'm showing you the silent killers, diseases that look like pests, and the 3-step diagnostic protocol to tell them apart before it's too late. So, how do we know if it's a pest or a disease? So this is an example of thrip damage. Look, you can see like the thrips scrape the underside of the leaf and then they suck that plant sap out. You can see that over here too. See, they're scraping the underside of that leaf. And it's random, they just eat where they want to eat. But if it looks like the yellowing is contained within the leaf veins, which you can see in this, see the veins? And then that's kind of contained within the leaf veins, then it's not a bug, it's a pathogen moving through the plant's internal plumbing. So rule 1, pests are random while diseases follow the veins or the map of the plant. So test 2 is the halo observation. Let's go back to this first leaf that we saw at the beginning. So when you have a halo like this is the plant's own defense system in action. When a fungus or a bacteria invades, the plant kills its own cells to create a scorched earth border. While doing this, it creates a bright, translucent yellow halo. So pests aren't going to cause this, but a disease is. So remember, pests leave like messy, random, black fading edges, black spots, and fading edges. So what you don't want to do when you see something like this is go for your insecticidal soap or some kind of spray, because that humidity and that moisture is just going to make the problem worse. This isn't a pest, this is a disease. So if you have a fungal problem, one thing to remember is that you got to clean those cutting shears, because that disease will spread on those other parts of the plant that you use the shears for. So make sure you use alcohol wipes to clean up your shears to get rid of that fungal or fungus or bacteria that's gotten on your shears. So you can clean those shears again with 70% isopropyl alcohol. That's going to get rid of that fungus, bacteria, whatever it is that got on your plant shears. Remember, you don't want to move between different parts of the plant with that same shear that got contaminated with this right here. So step 1 was the mechanical test to see if it's like a pest or bacterial or fungal infection. Step 2 is